Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation Objective Questions. Peculiarities of the year 1972 related with library and information science. Silver Jubilee of India's independence, bicentenary year of birth of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, International Book Year with the slogan Books for All, Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation was established. RRRLF's official website address: rrrlf.nic.in. Which library association played a major role in preparing a NAPLIS document? RRRLF. RRRLF is registered under the West Bengal Societies Registration Act 1961. RRRLF's supreme policy making body is called a Foundation. Foundation consists of how many members? 22. RRRLF is the nodal agency for promoting which type of libraries? Public libraries. Headquarter and Eastern Zonal Office of RRRLF is located at Salt Lake City, Kolkata. Present chairman of RRRLF is Shri Kanjan Gupta. RRRLF was established and fully financed by Ministry of Culture. Present Director General of RRRLF, Professor Ajay Pratap Singh. Foundation members are nominated by the Government of India from among eminent educationists, librarians, administrators, and senior officials. Who was the chairman of National Policy on Library and Information System, that is NAPLIS 1986? Professor D.P. Chattopadhyay. Who provide both matching and non-matching grants to public libraries in India? RRRLF. RRRLF's sharing of assistance under matching schemes are: for developed states 50-50, for developing and lagging states 60-40, for northeastern states 90-10. RRRLF assistant programs come under two heads. Which are they? Matching scheme and non-matching scheme. The zonal offices of RRRLF are located at Bhagat Singh Marg, Mumbai, District Central Library Building, Chennai, District Library, Guwahati, Salt Lake City, Kolkata, Chittaranjan Park, New Delhi. ISBN numbering agency in India is RRRLF. Say true or false. RRRLF is a central autonomous organization established and fully financed by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. True. Name the journal published by RRRLF. Granthana, Indian Journal of Library Studies. Which is the e-publication of RRR-LF? Tagore Bibliography. Raja Ram Mohan Roy Award is given to the best contributor of an article covering the area of development of public library systems and services, or suggesting measures for promotion of reading habit. RRR-LF was established in the year May 1972. Thank you.